Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Mazda BT50 XTR dual cab ute, stock reference number 4713. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a P5 AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight, amber indicator lens. Left hand tailgate garnish, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, does have light scratches, may polish out. 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, 2-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, climate control heated controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, instrument cluster, and rear seat and center headrests in black cloth. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.